Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying eligibility. Check your account status and confirm you hold at least 1,000 enterprise points. Once done, link your corporate ID, Form 1099 or vendor number, and an active payment method so redemptions can clear. Make sure to enable points transfer and redemption in admin settings, because without that you cannot proceed. Next, gather approval or manager sign-off if required. Having authorization short-circuits delays and prevents reversal later. You now execute the redemption. Choose credit, voucher, or direct transfer and observe processing time, typically 3 to 7 business days. Once selected, enter the exact points amount and confirm the conversion rate plus any dollar fees or percent charges applied. Make sure to complete multi-factor authentication, and if the transfer exceeds 10,000 points, obtain manager confirmation. These steps protect funds and ensure compliance. After submission, monitor the transaction ID and expected posting date in the dashboard. You finish by verifying the final ledger entry and reconciling points against accounting records within 48 hours. This confirms the correct dollar amount hit the right account. If a redemption fails, check the error code and authentication logs, confirm corporate banking details match, and ensure conversion rate was applied correctly. If issues persist, contact support with the transaction ID and escalate to compliance for disputes over $5,000. Doing this quickly preserves audit trails and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.